BoogieBulb Baby Nasal Aspirator and Booger Sucker by BoogieBulb is one of the best sellers among baby nasal aspirators products. Hospital-grade nose suction. Every time you use or your money back. The manufacturer also guarantee this is the best baby nasal aspirator on the market. Easy to use. Simply twist bulb back on after cleaning to reuse. Soft rubber and narrow tip syringe make it easier to suction the snot out of your baby girl or baby boy nose. Easy to clean and dry to completely eliminate mold buildup. No other nasal aspirator nose sucker on the market can guarantee you this. One BoogieBulb saves $100s. The need for having to buy any replacement aspirators for future use. Stop wasting your money on inferior models and get yours today! Exclamation mark. Perfect for the baby nursery, startup baby kit, a baby registry or even a baby present. Package includes 3 ounces nasal aspirator, BPA, phthalate, and latex. Intended for toddlers 25-35 plus lbs.